So I'm just going to count out. Let's break these up. 4, 6, 8, 10, 13. Let's take 15 of these. Put them in. And I'm going to get this soil more wet. This is right out of the bag. Make sure that each of the acorns are covered. You know where I'm going to remove that. The top, so we got a nice little green guy. And let's say there's 5, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16. All right, we'll put these in there. And we'll do the rest in this other bag here. And again, they're not going to grow. They're just for that cooling process, that cooling period that they need. I'm not sure if it's necessarily a freezing period because nothing's going to be freezing in the refrigerator, but stratification, red oaks need it, white oak acorns do not. That's looking good. I'm gonna get this all wet, mix these in real good so they're more spread apart.